Yes, hello guys, hello friends, welcome back to more Max TV. So in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your email address to another email address. You see here in this sample, I have two email address. You see I have the first email address. I'm going to change this email address to this second one. So to change this, you know that already that email doesn't always allow to be changed, but I'm going to show you the trick you can use to change the one email address to another email address. First, if you didn't subscribe to this channel, please subscribe to More Max TV, like this video, share this video to your friends, and if you have any question or issue or suggestion, please leave it in the comment section. So without wasting time, let's get started now. So I'm going to open my Google Chrome. You see this is Google Chrome now. So I'm going to log in into the email. So I'm creating Gmail login. So if I have created two Gmail account already, so I have one Gmail and I have another Gmail, and then I want to change one Gmail address to another. If I didn't have created the second one, I want to change for, I must start by creating a new Gmail account. So I have two created Gmail account, but I want to change one Gmail account to another. Now I'm going to sign into my Gmail account. So log into my first Gmail account. So you see I'm going to log into this Gmail account now. So I'm going to log into this Gmail account after I log into this Gmail account to both at the same time. Now let me log in with this. Yes, I log in and I continue. So I input passwords. Yes, now wait for the password to log in. You see now I'm on my email account options. So I'm going also to log into the second Gmail account. So now you see I'm going to add a new Gmail account. So I can go to my Gmail account now by this first Gmail account. Yes, you see in the first tab I have logged in with one is the first Gmail. Now I'm going to log in with the second Gmail. So I'm going to add the new account, then put this second Gmail account, this one. So I'm going to log in with this second Gmail account. You see this one. So let me click yes, this one, and click next. Yes, I insert passwords. When I got the password, I click next to my Gmail account. Yes, they said can I continue to new Chrome profile, and I click no thanks. So if I click no thanks, now I wait to this to load to open it clearly. So you see this is the first email account have its options, this is the second one has its options also. Now you can also, you see this is the first one. Yes, you see this is the first one. The first Gmail account is this, and the second Gmail account is this one. So we click this to standard view and open it very well. So yes, now when I click on this second Gmail account, you see now I'm going to open this. You see now I can open this second Gmail account. Yes, let me click on this manage Gmail account. Here you see when I click manage your Google account, I'm going to see the details of my second Gmail address I have been signed in with. So wait. Yes, you see on my Google details, so there is personal information, and personal information I click on it. When I click on personal information, I'm going to get all the details below, you see. So this is my Gmail account here, so there is no recovery phone number. Then I click on this, my Gmail account. You see, I'm going to see the email here that saying that you can't change this address. You can't change this address. So I'm going to show you how you can do this, so as you can convert or you can change to another email address. So follow the steps now. They are saying that you can't change this address, but I'm going to show you how you can handle this. Now I'm going to come here on this email. I want to change this email. I'm going to come here and click these settings. See these settings of my second Gmail account. Then I click see all settings. So see all settings of my Gmail account. Yes, I click see all settings of my Gmail account. Now after clicking see all settings of my Gmail account, you see the various options that I can be using with this Gmail account. What I'm going to do is this now. I'm going to click on the forwarding and pop up so options. You see now forwarding now here. I can also forward on some of your mail by, so I can click on add forwarding address. Forwarding address means that all emails that will be sent to this email will be forwarded to the email address that I'm going to add. I'm going to add the email address to the filter email address that will be sent or will be forwarded to other emails or other mails that will be sent to this email address. Now I'm going to come on the first options of this. In the first tab I have also clicked I have opened my first email address. I'm going to select this email address. You see this email address, I'm going to change to there. Then I copy this. I'm going to bring it here. Then I insert here. I paste it here in this option of forwarding address. Then I click next. You see it is going to open it here in this second those options. Now you see forwarding mail to this one neomu11@gmail.com. you see, yes, are you allowing this email to get forwarded to this email address? I'm going to click OK if I allow this email to get forwarded to this email address. If not, I'm going to click cancel this process, but I'm going to proceed because I want to change that to that email address. Now I'm going to click proceed. You see, proceed. Proceed, then I wait for it to finish the process. You see now after proceeding, so you see now the process has already ended. A confirmation code has been sent to neomu.com to verify permission. So I'm going to go to my first email address to verify the confirmation code, so as I'm going to allow this email to be the filter that my emails will be sent to, or will be forwarded to this email address. Let me click OK. You see now I'm having the options that I will be putting my confirmation code that have been sent to my first email address I have changed it to. I'm going to change it from, I'm going to go to this first email address, then click in my inbox. This, you see now Gmail team. So Gmail forwarding confirmation. Receive mail from this. Yes, I'll be receiving mail from this mail because I have changed this mail to this. I'll be receiving mails from this mail. I'm going to put this code, confirmation code, so as I'm going to grant this or to allow this mail to be forwarded to that email. Now I'm going to copy this code and paste this. See this code? I'm going to copy this and paste this to this option, and then I click verify this. Yes, when after clicking verify, so you see I have already verified this email address. Now you see this email address is already added as the one that will be forwarded. So you see this example forwarding. Now I'm clicking this to allow forwarding to. Now I can click also this to remove this mail. I can click this and remove this mail address. I can also keep Gmail is a copy in the inbox. If you want to keep the copy of the mails that will be sent to that email, you can keep them to your inbox by choosing this option here below. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel so as you get being with us and watch many videos here. Turn on the notification bell button to get notified when you upload new video here at Max TV. Thank you for watching.